Meet Barnaby. He's not like other clouds. When he tries to rain, oops, it's popcorn! The garden was thirsty. Barnaby tried his hardest to squeeze out some water, but all he got was more popcorn. The squirrels loved it, but the flowers were sad. Then, a magical sunbeam tickled his nose. He felt a giant sneeze coming. Achoo! Suddenly, it wasn't popcorn, but sparkling blue lemonade. The garden bloomed instantly. Everyone celebrated the sweet surprise. Barnaby was finally a hero.